Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Instinct 3 AMOLED edition, and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. We can track the amount of steps taken on this watch in couple or more than couple of ways. First way to do it is to check it on the watch face. Some of the watch faces displayed by default. For example, this one, we have the step counter right here, but some of them don't, but we can customize it. So to do it, press and hold the menu button. Once the menu opens, select the watch face and press GPS. Scroll through the list of watch faces, look for something you like. And once you find the watch face you like, press GPS. And instead, selecting the apply, select the data and press GPS. And now we can customize the widgets on our watch face or data on our watch face. This one is fine. Next we have some, I don't know, intensity training, I believe, or something like that, but we can change it. And to change it, you can use the up and down buttons. As you can see, we have the step counter right there. I'm gonna set it. Then I'm gonna set something here, something else, maybe battery. And here we're gonna also set something else, maybe... let's set it to steps 2, so it looks funny. Okay, and once you see, or rather set your data, select apply, and the watch face will be applied. And here we have our step counters. Another way to check the amount of steps taken is to use the glances or widgets. To do it, wake up the screen on your watch by moving the watch basically. And then once you're on the current watch face, the home screen, you can use the up and menu and down buttons to open the glances menu. And here we have different, I would call them widgets. I believe Garmin calls them something else, either glances or cards. No, I think it's glances. I think it's cards on Android watches. Yeah, I believe this is glances. Anyway, basically list of different shortcuts for different statistics and maybe features like calendar, moonrise when it rises, stuff like that. As you can see, by default there is no step counter here, but we can scroll through this list, select edit and press GPS, scroll down, select the add option, press GPS, and now find the step counter, steps, press the GPS, it will be added, and then we can go back and the steps will be added to the list, as you can see, and here we have it. You can also select the steps and press GPS to open more detailed information. Basically, you have some graphs. And the last way to check the amount of steps taken is to do it in the Garmin Connect application if your watch is paired with a phone. So my watch is paired with a phone. I'm gonna zoom out the camera. Okay, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Garmin Connect. And here you can scroll through the homepage and check if you have steps right here on the list of glances. As you can see, I don't have any. So what we need to do is to tap on More, Activities, and Steps. And here we have our steps menu, and we have different statistics. And we have daily progression, weekly, 4 weeks, and 1 year. So you can check the whole progress from your whole year if you want to. You can also change the goal for these steps by tapping on this icon and tapping on edit goal, and here you can change it to your liking. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the application, and that's how you track the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.